Okay, we're Howard Lane in Mopac, coming up on the Howard Station. You see the train is just leaving the station right now as I'm driving down the highway. This is again the Howard Station of the Metro Rail, day 2, and you can see the train. I'm going to drive right next to it for a little way right before I get into the parking lot up on Mopac. Hey, I'm getting ready to go into the parking lot called Mopac, and I'm swivel over here to the right, and you can see the train is going to pass me by and head for downtown. Again, this is coming off of Howard Station, and I'm sitting here at Mopac getting ready to get on, and I hate to say it, but it looks like the train is going to be going faster than me. And there it goes, headed for downtown Austin. Metro Rail.